When you know it, got ourselves thrown in prison. To be more precise, we're at the Yuma Territorial State Prison and Historic Site. So take a look through here. It's like $10 to get in, and they got a big lookout tower here. Pretty sweet. Kind of different. It's right off the main road, which you can see right there. My new microphone. Some cool stuff to read about here. Lots of great history stuff. If you're a history buff, I'm kind of a history buff, or I like to think I am. I'm really not. I like to think I am. All the different things here. Just stop the video, take a look at those things. Hopefully you're not getting too much wind, because it is a smidge windy today. But we're going to go through here, and maybe I'll do another quick video of something I see that might interest you. So this is my wife. Well, this is the inside of the prison, the main hall, I guess. So they got a nice museum here. It talks about the people who've passed away, their music. It's kind of cool. Here's the original grounds, or a depiction thereof. That's pretty neat. I like it. Actually, I haven't taken a walk through here just yet. I'm just kind of showing you stuff. Ooh, a nice Gatling gun. Trying to pan as slow as possible so you can stop it at any time here. Ooh, I wonder what that is. That's the weight on the other end, huh? Got some guns, you know me. If you get a chance, go check out my other video about the Cody Museum. Wow, Bill Cody. He's got a nice collection of firearms. Criminals wrestling. Kind of neat. Not huge, but neat. Escapist. Wow. Anybody see the bat? Huh? Anybody? I do. See how close I can get without him jumping at me. And I'll scream like a little girl. I sure will. No question about it. That's neat.
Everybody make some noise! Take off, just ride one of these down to town. Angela, you ride that one down. I'm out of carrots.
Oh, you're here. Give me that one.
Got one.
Yeah.
Ain't bad enough.
Feed that one so I get it on video.
Want something?
Yeah.
There. Shit.
Oatman.
He's got the rest of them.
Hey, what up?
I'll take a picture.
You want that one there? Want to see? Watch. Would you hold them like this? Oh, I don't think I got it.
Look, he's at. Look at this one.
Yeah, check him out. Like petting their nose because it's so soft.
Yeah, he's a good boy.
Hold on. Hold on, Homer.
Here, let me take a
I
picture.
just got that one.
Take a picture.
Mm.
Oh, mother. Done, bitch. There he is. I took a picture with you. I'll give you.
So we are hanging out here where the donkeys are. You see that cat there? See? Yeah, they're riding around everywhere. They're actually wanting carrots and stuff. Once they find out I got carrots, they're gonna come right on over here. I assure you. It's like a little tourist town. Donkeys are all over the place. Gotta leave that man alone. My wife playing traffic conductor. It's awesome. She's coming in. She's coming in. Got a street show going on. Maybe it's a shootout. It could happen. With donkeys. Yeah, that Burrow there just walks around all over the place.
Well, one of us got to go in there.
Look, there's my wife.
One of us goes in there. All right, we play a game. One who loses the game goes right.
Well, he's walking.
Well, yeah, I'm walking. That old man tried to shoot me, though. He didn't like the fact I grabbed his set. Wait a minute. 2 Arizona.
Yeah.
4 Arizona.
Wait a minute.
Arizona.
Here's the classic 72 Buick Riviera. You can always tell they've got this distinctive back glass. I have never been a fan of this boat black glass. I do like the color on it. Nice two-tone painted colors. So man, those are hideous. That neighbor of mine used to have one. He had a red one, I believe it was.
Yeah, he likes to think he hunted it. Try not to in there, please.
Yeah.
Dude is 19 and a half. He'll be 19 in December. He's actually Smithy's older brother. He's our most impressive male by
Sure,
the size
he's
of his
huge.
mane, how much he weighs. He's our biggest male as well.
He shows his teeth on.
He shows his, yes. He's one of those vocal males. So when people want to see a scary lion,
That's
dude
him.
is
I know Swifty was like,
That's awesome. He looks like he's got peanut butter on him or something. Well, he's got all his canines. Good looking cuss. I'm gonna make that my my picture thumbnail. Good looking guy.